We must celebrate its capture. Come back to our village with us.
Well, I don't know if I...
You should. There'll be a feast with rare delectables.
Well, I have not eaten in days. I suppose no harm could come of it.
Our people have